Hello, madam. This is my project presentation for PAPI, Group 15. I'm Ng Jini, then this is my group members, Li Yang, Ong Wei Xiong, Divaga, and Ang Wei King. For our introduction, the security plan helps protect the Bali law firm from cyber threat and follows legal rules. It includes splitting the network into parts using encryption, training staff, and having a backup plan in case of emergencies.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ang Wei King. I would like to present security blueprint. And the first layer is physical security. It consists of biometric access control, CCTV, secure and server rooms. Network security consists of firewall, IDDS, IDLAN, segmentation, VPN for remote access. Endpoint security consists of antivirus, encryption, device management. Application security consists of secure coding, regular patching, case management system, authentication. Data security consists of encryption, secure backup, data loss prevention.
The organization can do workshops to their staffs. In this workshop, they can teach the staff about phishing and then password safety to their staff to enforce their knowledge in securities. So secondly, the organization can strengthen their rules. They have to enforce strong password and then multi-factor authentication and then teach how to use this all in day-to-day use to their staffs. Finally, they teach their staffs how to act during the emergency situation. For this, the organization can do mock-up drills. In these drills, they can practice what to do during cyber attack in proper and then executable way, without panicking and then making the situation even more. So in this part, we are going to see the continuous strategies, which is what are we going to do in case of anything unforeseen happen. So first, the disaster recovery plan. For this, the organization need to do daily backup stored on NAS and then in the cloud to avoid any important information from losing, and then followed by failover server already in Bali, for example. So as for network redundancy, the organization need to have backup internet via secondary ISP to avoid downtime and then to avoid any network interruption or losing any important network connection.
For the security technologies used to protect a network, first, the next generation firewall helps block dangerous traffic and prevent cipher threats from entering the system. Then we have IDS or IPS, which stands for Intrusion Detection and Prevention System. These tools monitors network activity and stop any harmful behavior automatically. VLAN segmentation is used to separate different network areas such as guest Wi-Fi, staff, and servers to enhance overall security and prevent unauthorized access. Lastly, Wi-Fi secure with WPA3 Enterprise protects wireless connection using stronger authentication methods, making it much harder for attackers to gain access. Together, these technologies create a safer and more secure network environment. For the legal and ethical consideration, from the legal perspective, we must follow Indonesia's data protection law, which ensures that client information remain private and protected. For clients from the European Union, we also need to comply with the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR), which requires strict data handling and security measures. Ethically, it is crucial to maintain loyal client confidentiality, which means using secure communication tools like encrypted emails and secure file sharing platform. Additionally, to prevent unauthorized access, we should implement access logs to monitor who is viewing sensitive data. These particles help build trust and maintain integrity in legal operation.
In conclusion, our security framework covers not just technique protection, but also staff behavior and legal responsibility. We use a multi-layer defense model with technologies like VPN, firewalls, and IDS. We also include staff training and a disaster recovery plan. All of these steps follows the Indonesia PPP law and global standards. This builds a strong, secure, and trustworthy systems for the law firm. It helps protect client data, keep legal documents safe, and improve the firm's reputation and reliable.